Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix destination folder access denied. Usually is on system32 or syswow64. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to right click on the folder that you get an error, show more options, properties, then go to security, then go to advanced. On advanced, go to owner and then press change. Then write everyone here, check names, okay. Then on this new window, make sure these two options, if there is here, is selected, and then apply, okay. Then what you need to do here is to wait for a couple of seconds, press okay, then press edit here, press add, then everyone right here, check names, okay, and then make sure all the boxes is ticked here. And after that, you just need to press okay, and then that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.